Hi guys, and welcome to a new video from InplayTrading.com. This is Ad speaking. We're almost at the start of a new season. Seems like it's been months since the Euros, and I don't know about you guys, but really been missing top level football with the Premier. All the top CR sides, my team Arsenal, and we're counting down the days. Only 13 days to go now. Game on next Friday week. So yeah, 13 days to go. Championship returns next weekend with the lower leagues as well. So just going to show you, this is in our members area. We identified a couple of games today. There's not a lot on because obviously a lot of the major leagues are not back yet. Sweden, Norway, Finland go on throughout the summer, and there's usually some value in finding games to trade. I like to pick games where there will be goals. I will apply the goal watch strategy, which is done very well for our members. So it's just about to kick off, and we're just waiting to get matched at 1.98. So we've got our price. Taken. We're going to enter the market on the 1-1. Always do the overs first, because if you get a goal when your overs are matched but not the 1-1, you're in a strong position. Liquidity is not great, but because we're only trading the 1-1, we can get away with that. That's not a problem, not a big deal. And this is the scanner, the Implay Scanner from ImplayTrading.com. We have two scanners. This is the Betfair one, and we have a bookie scanner as well. Can open that as well, and that shows you all of the games under the sun. So any games that we don't cover with the Betfair scanner will be on here. Absolutely huge amount of games with all of the stats. You can see here all of the stats. I'll go into more detail of that on the Betfair scanner itself. Put them both next to each other and can be covered. So this is the game we're concentrating on. So what we're going to do, we're going to highlight that. What that means is that if there's a shot on goal, if there's a goal, if there's a red card, we will hear audio alerts also for half time and full time. So just very quickly, obviously the times, the minute of the game, the score. If you hover your mouse over, you can see the league, the country. These are the Betfair odds. If you're logged into Betfair and you click in one of these, you'll go straight to that market. We have the kickoff prices underneath, over under 2.5. These are the other 0.5, 1.5, 3.5, 4.5 markets. Again, if you click in one of those, you go straight to that, and the same with the correct scores. Over here we have all of the stats: shots on target, off target, corners, etc., red, yellows, dangerous attacks, possession, time since the last goal. And these three things here are called the pressure indicators or pressure indexes. And if you hover the mouse over there, you give you a little explanation. And we did a lot of research into this, finding out when details were high, when they hit a certain level, then that meant there was a lot of action in the game, whether by shots on target, off target, or corners, and more often than not, we would see a goal. So it's the PI1, there's a PI2, and a PI3. So when you get all of these three lit, we call it a traffic light signal, and more often you'll see a goal. PI1 alone is also a very strong indicator of a lot of action and something likely to happen in the game. if you hover your mouse over the figure, you can see the last 10 minutes, 50% possession to the home side, and they've had 2 shots off target. And you can see the time frame, 10 minutes, you see the lines, the pressure, and this is a really good feature. Over here we have head-to-heads, breakdowns and past games. Breakdown first half, second half total. You can delete games, and as I say, if you highlight a game and you click this bulb here, they will all go up to the top of your list. So let's unclick that one. What else can I show you here? This highlighted figure here means that either one or 2 sides have scored more goals in the second half of games based on the last 8 seasons data. So you can see the Sheffield Wednesday score more goals in the second half, then certainly more than the Garners. And the same here, both sides tend to score goals in the second half. This figure here applies when there are 4 to 1, the ratio 4 to 1, at least 4 to 1. So you can see this one's here, so they've had 5 shots on target to the away side 0. So it's just pointing out little things that are making you look at a game and thinking, okay, there's something going on there. I'll keep an eye on that. This is now highlighted, you can see, and we can see that they've had the home side list now. I've had 1 shot on, 4 shots off target in the last 10 minutes. And as we speak, you had a little audio sound for a goal, and that's because the home side have scored. So for us and our pick, that's good news. It's only early days, so we let this run. The idea with the goal watch strategy is that we back over 2.5 goals and we back 1-1, and the profits are spread evenly across either outcome. What happens if the game is 0-0 at half time? Well, then you put a small amount on the 2-0 and the 0-2 to again assure yourself of a profit if the game finishes either of those scores. If the game finishes 0-0, 1-0, 0-1, then you've lost. Simple as that. This is our homepage, say implaytrading.com. We have links to our sister site, PMT, which is an award-winning website for profiting before a ball is kicked. Well worth checking out, prematchtrading.com. And if you look at our results, we have had tremendous success over the last 2-3 seasons using the goal watch strategy at kickoff. And you'll see, just have a look yourselves, and you'll see an awful lot of wins on the right-hand column. One of our regular members sent us this document a few months ago now, and he back-tested and did a lot of research on our strategy here and some of his own, and also from other sites. And he was incredibly impressed by following our picks of the day, and this is what he came up with. That the success rate was close at 87%. Average of the winning picks was 1.85, and that was the return on investment. And yeah, very impressed with this. And a lot of members are making excellent returns just following our picks of the day. We've only got 2 out of season, normally 2 or 3 out of season, but when the leagues return, we will usually have 4 on a Saturday and 4 on a Sunday. And some of the members just trade these games because they don't have time, they have other things to do over a weekend. Just trade our picks and make money. this game, you can see we've had 5 off, 1 on target and a corner. Home side about 57% of the possession, so there could be a goal or two in that game. This game here, again, 60 minutes gone. If you go on the eye here, you can see the breakdown. So we can see in the second half there have been 4 shots off target. 4 shots on target and 2 shots off target. So there may well be a goal or two in that one. What could you do there? You can maybe lay the draw. That's the current odds for the draw. Lay the 0-0. Just little ideas. The same with Sandhausen. You can see again there's a lot of action. Just bring a look at the eye. So there have been 2 shots on and 3 shots off target in the second half, 3 corners. So again, we may well see a goal or two. Looks like these are friendlies. I wouldn't really waste my time on friendlies. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so just had a notification. It's 2-0. That's good news. Let's get through to the half time and see if there's another goal or not, and we can assess options. This is one we discussed. There've been 3 goals in here. Pointed this game out here, and there's been a goal. So the scanner provided information and a goal duly obliged. Now, if you're following our strategy, then go with strategy. You let this run. It's entirely open to members. They may want to take out the red like that and assure themselves a profit. You can do that. You can do that. It's a set and go strategy, and the results work well because it's left to run. So I'm letting this run, and that's exactly how our results are updated, because it's a set and go strategy. The only thing to do on this strategy after you place your trade at kickoff is at half time to back the 2-0 and 0-2. On this game here, we flagged. Look, they've had a 3rd goal, all in the last 6-7 minutes. And there we go. We had a goal in the other game that we flagged, a late goal. So 2 games in Germany, and this game in here, the scanner more or less pointed out how much action there was going on and that a goal or two were likely, and they've all come in nicely. Okay, looks like a late goal. That's good news for us. 2-1 and a winning trade. And there's the scanner giving confirmation. Nice trade. So, could we have traded out of that at half time? Most definitely. For the results tab itself, for consistency, that was the reason for staying in. A lot of people, most people would have traded out at half time, or at least left a free trade. But I just wanted to show you, in comparison with our results, that's how the results page is put together. We have a £1 trial. Why don't you come along? Click on our homepage. All you've got to do is log in, create a new account, £1 offer for a day's access. We also have season offers, 40% off. Log in, click one of the links, either get access for the season or 12 months. Absolute bargain. Our picks alone more than cover the subscription costs and make money on top. Come and join us. At least give us a try for £1. The season starts in 13 days, the Premier season. Give us a go for a weekend and see what you think. We have at least 2 picks a day at the moment, Saturday and Sundays, and once the season kicks off, we will have 3 or 4 games Saturday and Sunday. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you again for the next one.